I'm going to share with you 10 steps to write the perfect business plan from scratch, and even if you don't have any experience. It's a broad topic that deserves the proper attention and explanation. This is why I will create a minimum of 4 standalone videos to explain in detail each step of the business plan in order for you to digest this information gradually. To be very direct to the point, these are the 10 steps of a successful business plan. 1. Fundamental knowledge you need to know. 2. Mission and goals. 3. Executive summary and business strategy. 4. Structure and strategy. 5. Logistics. 6. Marketing strategies. 7. Market trends and timing. 8. Funding and financials. 9. Financial forecasting. And 10. Presenting the business plan. As I told you, this is a vast topic, but at the same time so enticing. So bear with me during this path because it will help you better understand your business as well. Indeed, before introducing our idea to other people, we have to know perfectly the starting point and where we are directed. My name is Max Cecco, and I help you become a high-paid infopreneur by sharing my 12-year knowledge and experience, helping professionals and small business owners create their personal brand online and sell information products and services. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I suggest you subscribe right now and turn the notification on. If you tap on the like button, you will contribute to spreading my message to people like you, so thank you. Let's start this journey with step number 1. Fundamental knowledge you need to know. Let me answer this basic but essential question that sometimes is undervalued. What is a business plan? Why it's so crucial, especially if you want to get access to other people's money? A business plan is a sort of checklist of things to do in a defined order. A business plan helps you clarify, focus, and research your business development and prospects. A business plan is an organic document, a perpetual work in progress, and can serve as the basis for a discussion with third parties, such as shareholders, agencies, banks, and investors. A business plan helps you focus in the right direction because it allows you to understand your business deeply. Indeed, I firmly believe that if you fail to plan your business, means planning your failure. At the same time, it's pretty impossible to plan everything in business. And if you wait to be 100% prepared before taking action, you will fail miserably. The key here is to find a sort of balance in order to start executing your project with a sufficient level of awareness. You absolutely need to understand this concept from the beginning. Investors pay more attention to the people involved in the business, and only then their attention is focused on the business itself. The team involved is one of the best resources you need. The world is full of great ideas, but few people can execute a specific idea. In the business plan, do not forget to sell yourself, your abilities, your enthusiasm, and experience. It makes all the difference. Once again, people are still, fortunately, the most important asset in a company. Indeed, these are 3 of the most important, crucial questions that investors want to know before funding your idea. Number 1, can I make money by investing in this idea, in this project? Number 2, do I understand the business I want to invest in? What is the big idea behind the project? And number 3, do I believe in people I'm going to invest in? Keep in mind these questions because they guide your entire business plan, especially when you have the opportunity to introduce your idea with a speech, for instance. Step number 2, mission and goals. Mission represents the essence of your business, and an investor wants to know it. On the flip side, you need to define it for yourself first. Not having a strong and clear mission is unacceptable because it answers the most critical question of all. Why are you in business? If your motivation isn't strong enough, nothing else matters. For this reason, I have 2 questions for you. 1. Are you in business first to serve people and second to make money? Or number 2, Are you in business to first make money and second to serve people? Defining your mission is crucial, especially when you will face difficult times. A clear mission provides a strong sense of direction to you as a reminder of why you got into the business and what direction you should add. It is extremely helpful to evaluate opportunities and set goals. To define your mission, I highly suggest using some of these ideas. I have always wanted to. If I knew I couldn't fail, I would. I will be good at my business because. I want to offer my product or service because. In 5 years, my business will. I can make the most significant difference in the world by. I can serve the most people by. And do not forget to resume your mission in one single and brief sentence, because it will be read by an investor that wants to evaluate your business idea. After defining your mission, the next step is goal setting. If your mission is a compass, you can consider your goals the map. Goals are simply step-by-step plans that will make your dreams come true. Your goals should be measurable in time, dollars, and quantity. You might have goals for a certain amount of profit, for a certain number of items, and by a specific date. If you can't measure it, it's not a goal. Now, this is not a video on how to set your goals, but at the same time, I want to give you some quick suggestions to fill this section of your business plan properly. Answer these questions. What are your personal and business goals? Are you in it for the freedom? What is your exit strategy? Do you want to eventually go public? Do you want to establish a business that can be sold for a large profit? What about franchising or establishing multiple locations? What about scaling your business online globally? Step number 3. Executive summary and business strategy. The executive summary is the first and most read section of any business plan because it answers all the key questions. You have to answer to the 5 W. Why, who, what, when, where, and even how. In this section, my suggestion is to write how you plan to use investors' money. Executive summary summarizes the business plan. It should be very short, 1 page is perfect, and it should point out the most important sections of the plan. In addition, I suggest you write this first part at the end of your business plan once you have identified and written all the other sections of your project. One best practice in writing this section is to put yourself in the investor's shoes. Write down what an investor would like to hear, but at the same time, be honest and real. Do not lie to people only to have their money. Let's switch to the business strategy section. Know your business. The first part of your business plan should be a detailed description of your business by highlighting strengths and weaknesses. To be straightforward, in this section, I want you to answer these questions. Why did you decide to start your business? What is your business? How well do you know yourself? What are your motivations behind your choice? Did you start your business for a specific desire or just for personal fulfillment? What do your customers or prospects say about your business when they talk to their friends? What is the most exciting part of your business you can't wait to share with people you know? Why would someone really want to invest in you? After answering these questions, you should mention your strengths and weaknesses. Let me give you some precious information in order to help you fill in this part of your business plan. Let's start with strengths. There are 2 types of strengths: common and competitive. Common means something that you can do well. Competitive means something that you are capable of doing better than anyone else in your same field of competency. A business can improve with your common strengths, but it can explode with your competitive strengths. Let's see some business strengths: products and services, a great brand, product distribution, customer care, crucial skills, and so on. Now, let's switch to the weaknesses. Just as with the strengths, weaknesses fall into 2 general categories: common and catastrophic. Common weaknesses are those that you share with many other businesses, and they can be overcome for sure. Catastrophic weaknesses are those that constantly put you at the bottom of the pile. These may include a fatal error in a software program, or the use of someone else's intellectual property, or being the second to introduce a new technology, and even arrogance. My advice is to work on your weaknesses to transform them into strengths. Putting weaknesses in the plan allows you to show how you plan to eliminate or work around them. Well done! For this first video is more than enough. In the following video regarding the business plan, I'm going to share with you the structure and strategy you need to put into practice your business idea. Just to mention a few arguments: legal structure, business description, product description, and so on. You can watch this video right now.